Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be trying a really fun design. I made it up in my head and I'm super excited to see how it works out because we've used this technique before. If you remember our Christmas theme videos, we did a poinsettia soap and a Christmas tree theme soap where we drizzled some oil and mica powder on the top, and it kind of makes this really cool indent in your soap as well as just being super shiny. So that was by far one of my favorite techniques that we've used here on this channel. And today's project is doing that, but on a way bigger scale, which I personally don't think could fail. So the way we're going to be doing this is by making majority of our soap a white base. The next step is going to be to mix all 5 of these colors, each individually in their own little baby cup. And I'll be mixing in some oil with this too to disperse the mica powder. The colors that I've chosen for this project, I really wanted a rainbow color, but I don't like orange. I just really don't like how it looks in the rainbow. I think it ruins the rainbow. I have lots of other colors in the rainbow. There's really no reason to have orange, so I omitted orange from our rainbow. So the first color we have here is just red mica from Brambleberry, Queen's purple mica from Brambleberry, yellow mica from Brambleberry, Kelly green mica, Brambleberry as well, and blue mica, Brambleberry. So once I have all of those colors mixed with oil and set to the side, I'm going to put our batter together. For this particular project, I'm going to be using this mold from Nurture Soap. I'm going to end up using about 2 teaspoons of the pearly white mica per pound. The scent that I decided to use for this project is Juicy Pear from Nurture Soap. The reason I decided to go with this particular fragrance oil is because it does not discolor, which is perfect because we want our background to be a beautiful bright white and I don't want that to change over time, so Juicy Pear it is. I also feel like the Juicy Pear goes with all the bright colors, you know, and I really wanted to experience all the colors on this soap. Now that I have all of our colors measured out, I'm just going to be pouring a couple teaspoons of oil into the white. I just combined my lye water and my oils. Next, I'm going to be adding in some of this Juicy Pear, and this is a little bit of sodium lactate. This will just help us unmold a lot easier. Now I'm going to be adding all of this pearly white mica to our main batter. I got our batter to a nice thin trace, and now I'm just going to fill our mold with the entire thing of batter. For all these little colors, I'm just going to be using a pipette. All this is oil and our mica mixture. I'm going to scoop it up into our pipette. Alright, yellow was our first color and it's my favorite color by a long shot, so I used a lot of it. I don't think I'll be using as much of the next 4 colors. So right now it just looks kind of like a kid's project. Next I'm going to be taking the back of this pipette and just making a design in it. All of our bars are cut into pretty equal pieces. I'm really loving the tops of these. They're super bright and colorful and the swirls are really unique. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and liking this video so you can see more videos just like this. We'll see you next time. Bye!